Oh, what's up, Mopar fam? It's your boy at FredEasy. What's going on? Today, on this beautiful day, we'll be changing the air filter on a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 3.0 CRD diesel engine. Alright, let's get it. So this process should be similar for the WK1 Jeep models with the CRD diesel engines from 2007-2008. We'll get through the part numbers and what I got as an air filter at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and head straight right into how to do this. It's a fairly simple process which only requires a 10mm socket and ratchet for the engine cover and a flathead screwdriver. Alright, sweet. Now that we got our tools together, let's go ahead and pop the hood and remove the two 10mm bolts to remove the engine cover. Next, let's locate the air filter box, which is on the passenger side of the Jeep next to the headlight. Now let's grab our flathead screwdriver and loosen the air intake pipe tube clamps and remove the air intake pipe tube. Now, you may be able to remove the top of the air intake box without taking the pipe out, but right now it is a great opportunity to inspect turbo. Also, with the intake pipe removed, it gives us lots of room to remove the air filter and properly seal the box after. Next, with our flathead screwdriver in hand, let's pop out the metal air box clamps and lift off the top of the air box. We'll leave the air sensor attached, so let's carefully put the air box lid to the side. Now that we have access to the air filter, let's swap out the old one with our brand spanking new one. With our new air filter in, let's install the air box lid. Now, hold on guys, let's pay attention to the 4 plastic tabs at the rear of the air box lid. They will need to be inserted in the corresponding 4 holes that are located on the lower portion of the air box. After inserting the tab, let's go ahead and close the airbox lid and throw the metal clamps back on to seal the box. Alright, home stretch. Next, let's go ahead and install the air intake pipe and tighten the clamps with our flathead screwdriver. Now that we have everything back together, let's reinstall the engine cover, clean up, and have a beer. Alright, so as mentioned at the beginning of the episode, the Mopar part number for the air filter is 4861688. Today we use the FRAM extra guard with the part number CA8817. For other brands, I head over to Rock Auto to check out what the other brands are available and the prices of these parts. It is always a good idea to get informed on what different parts are available and the price ranges of these parts before buying either online or at a local parts place. I understand that some people prefer certain brands over others, but in my opinion, as long as the air filter is changed within the recommended maintenance interval, that is what is most important. For this case, this Jeep Grand Cherokee with a CRD 3.0 V6 engine has an air filter change service interval A of 32,000 miles or service interval B of 16,000 miles. I personally change the air filter every third oil change or every 30,000 kilometers or 18,641 miles, which lands me within the recommended service intervals of A and B. How often do you change your air filter on your Jeep? Hit up the comments and drop your opinion below. You can also find the instructions for this video in the description as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching everyone. Hit the like button if this helped you out. Hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. I really appreciate it. Take care and I'll catch you guys later. Peace. What's up, Mopar fam? Just a quick shout out to Lifted LeChance Designs from Barrie, Ontario. Let them elevate your brand. They're a professional marketing and branding company specializing in custom apparel. They offer in-house branding from start to finish, video production, professional recording, complete rebranding, graphic design, custom printing service, and more, bros. I personally have had them produce the FredEasy 21 shirts and stickers for me, as well as using their facility to produce some of my own episodes. Not only do they do great work, but the owner is a Mopar enthusiast himself. That is awesome. Please check them out and contact them for your marketing and branding needs. Alright guys, I'm tuning out. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.